fox named Frankie. A short moral story. Frankie was no ordinary fox. He was the fastest in the forest. He loved racing other animals and always won. "No one can outrun me," he bragged. The other animals admired him, but they also wished he were a little kinder. One day, a wise old tortoise named Toby challenged Frankie to a race. The forest burst into laughter. A tortoise against a fox? This will be easy. Frankie chuckled. When the race began, Frankie dashed ahead, leaving Toby far behind. Confident of his victory, he decided to take a nap under a shady tree. "I have plenty of time," he thought. But while Frankie slept, Toby kept moving, slow and steady. Step by step, he made his way toward the finish line. By the time Frankie woke up, he saw Toby just inches away from winning. Panicked, he sprinted forward, but it was too late. Toby crossed the finish line first. Frankie was shocked. "How did you beat me?" he asked. Toby smiled and said, "Speed is good, but consistency wins the race." From that day on, Frankie learned to respect others and never underestimate anyone, no matter how small or slow they seemed. Moral: overconfidence can lead to failure, and persistence always pays off. Thank you for watching.